Okay, so in before class I've completed the bone tool, right? Actually, the middle of the Animate CC, the end of the Animate CC tools, I discontinued the explanation of the Animate CC because some highest priority classes have explained. So Premiere Pro and the CorelDRAW. Due to that reason, I discontinued the Animate CC classes. But before, CorelDRAW and Premiere Pro, almost all I have covered all the tools, okay, except these three tools, right? So after bone tool, right now after bone tool I am explaining these tools. Okay, hand tool is very simple to understand. To move your stays, this is stays, right? Not document, this is a stays. Okay, the shortcut is H. This rotation tool, you can rotate your stays. Okay, after rotating your stays, if you want to keep this normally, you have to click the center stays. There is a symbol here, it is showing. Click on that. Then this is time scrub tool, Alt plus Shift plus H. So what is this? So time scrub tool, it's look like it's a hand tool, but this will work on a lengthy panning backgrounds. In animation, sometimes we use panning backgrounds, horizontal or vertical panning backgrounds. So when your stage is in full lengthy means like the ribbon, like very horizontal in a landscape backgrounds. So from one side to another side, if you want to move your backgrounds, there we use time scrub tool, right? So right now our stage is only this much only, right? When we do animations and we use the lengthy panning backgrounds, then I'll explain about this. This is very easy to understand, just like hand tool only, right? So I covered all the bone tool and bone tool options, right? So next, what are the other tools are there? So here it is, zoom tool to zoom your document. Suppose here you can draw anything and you can zoom this. Now see, zooming. Or otherwise I am using control middle scroll to move back or move forward, and I am using control minus and control plus for the zoom in, zoom out. And here the dots are showing here, the edit toolbar. So click on the left mouse. Here the hidden tools are there, so those are showing. These tools already we covered, okay, and the bone tool also I covered. So this is the inside the portion of the another bone tool. Suppose if you want to add these, okay, so just drag and drop here, so it is going inside. Okay, these tools already I covered, right? Well, let us check other things. Here, see these things. So this is what paintbrush tool. Already I have explained how to use that one. If you want, you can check my previous videos. And this is a pencil tool. Okay, pencil tool, just like your pencil, how you use this pencil. And the shortcut is Shift plus Y. Okay, so you can click Shift plus Y. This is your pencil tool. You can write just like your brush, right? And the scale is a normal or a horizontal, vertical. These are all the other options here. Okay, and the stroke size, if you want to increase and decrease, see this is increase it too much, so make it normal 1, and I am giving the enter value. And here the pencil options are there. The pencil here in the tools also it is showing. If you observe here, there is a straighten, because it is in a straighten, and you can change this to smooth. Now see, when you on these options here, this straighten option, it is not visible because it is a straighten, the jerky lines it is giving, and the smooth, it is smooth. Now you can use this smoothness, more flexible, okay, and you can draw your characters with a free hand. And here we have ink type, so it is an ink type, just like how you fill your colors. So the same way you can use this tool, and when you are using the tool, it is not activating, right? So better we keep this in a smooth, so automatically this is giving the nice lines. Deleting this one. Now inside we have other tools are there. See this, first let us check 3D rotation tool, Shift plus W. What it is this? So 3D rotation tool. So how to use that one? So you can draw any shape here. Here I am using one box, okay. And if you use this tool directly on that, suppose Shift plus W, Shift plus W, okay, it is not applying to that object because this will apply only on the symbols, right? So what are symbols? In Animate CC we have three different symbols are there: graphic symbol, movie clip symbol, and a button symbol, right? So right now our topic is not symbols, okay. So this will apply only for the movie clip symbol, okay. So select this one, right click and convert to symbol and change this to movie clip, right? So no need to worry, I'll explain one by one all this in the coming class, right? So right now you only focus on the symbol, movie clip symbol, right? Movie clip symbol, say okay, it is converted into movie clip. Then you can apply the same tool, Shift plus W, Shift plus W. Now see, some lines, orange line and blue line are showing. So what it is? Suppose see, there is some symbol like it is showing, some symbol like it is showing. Let us check again. Yes. No. This yellow mark, it is showing, see, this will move in Y axis, and here this will move in the Z axis. Z means the depth, okay. And here outside there is a yellow is there, I mean orange color, so that is moving in the X axis, okay. This is for the rotations in 3 dimension. You can move, you can change the objects rotations in XYZ axis, but this will apply only for the movie clip objects. Just delete this one and I'll draw another one. Right click on that and select and convert to symbol and movie clip and say okay. Now let us check the another one. Here we have 3D translation tool. So the shortcut is G, okay. So G, so using G, and now see here there is a arrow mark, it is showing. See it moving in Y axis, Okay, let us check here again. Yes, so I'll select and I'll create again, because this file is corrupted, right? So now convert to symbol and movie clip, save. OK, and here I'm using again the same tool, okay, the G, okay. So here you are moving your objects in X and Y. So see, here it is showing the green arrow, it is showing Y axis, the moving objects, and here it is moving X axis. Okay. And now there is a point here, it is showing Z. So Z means you are coming forward to the camera, and here you are going back. So that means what? It is creating the Z axis. Z means depth. See, this is going back. Sometimes you can use this. So this is X horizontally, and this is Y vertically, and here it is Z. Okay, is coming forward to the camera. Okay, this is helpful sometimes if you want to create the depths in animation, right? So in coming classes, one by one, practically I will discuss all these things, because these are only the tools, right? So we have to understand how it is working. Let's see here. There is a width tool, U, to create the width, because the same tool already we have discussed, we have used in the Adobe Illustrator to create the width to your objects. Suppose this is your object, and come to this width tool, U, okay, and I'm using U, okay, and see there is a small line it is showing. Click here and drag here, pull that one. So this will create the width. Sometimes it cannot connect that one. Yeah, I will do this one. Yes, now see, this is Control Z, and again I'm using to pick the point actually. Yes, now see, this is. So what we are doing here, we are changing the width of the outline, right? Sometimes maybe this is helpful to change your character outlines. Now the last one, the camera tool. See, so camera tool in Animate CC, in 2D animation, we create the cameras. So cameras means here we create X and Y, and we can rotate your document or the stage. Okay, so suppose in the camera tool, here it is the tool. So if we add this camera, so here there is a some bar it is showing, okay, and if you click here, so this is the camera, and here it is the rotation. Suppose here the rotations I'm using So you can rotate your object. See, the moving down, going up, the left side and right side. Okay, and here it is the another option. Okay, so what it is this? Move this one. You are coming to close up to the camera, sometimes as per your scene requirement. You can use this, and sometimes you can move back. Okay, and even you can rotate your objects. See, it is rotating. Okay, so about this camera I'll explain in animation. In real-time animation we use this camera tool. Okay, yeah, these are all about tools in Animate CC, right? So of course this is what, so this is a fill color and this is the stroke color, right? You can make it reverse. Okay, and here you can make it this in a default colors, default, and if you want you can change these colors, whatever the color you want, and outline also you can change color. Okay, these are the tools from the Animate CC. Okay, so from today onwards I'll explain all classes, all lessons only from the Animate CC.